Wales face near elimination from Euro 2025 after their loss to France in Group D at St Gallen. Despite the defeat, Jess Fishlock scored Wales' first ever goal at a major tournament, marking a historic moment for the team. France opening the scoring early with Clara Matteo volleying home from a corner in the 9th minute. Wales responded quickly as Fishlock levelled 5 minutes later by prodding in a cross from Cherry Holland. At 38 years and 176 days, Fishlock became the oldest scorer in women's Euros history. The goal was initially disallowed for offside but was overturned by VAR. France regained the lead just before half-time when Kaditi Diani converted a penalty awarded after Holland fouled Matteo. In the second half, Amel Mouredji extended France's advantage after Wales's defence was caught out, and Grace Giro sealed the win by tapping in a cross from Diani. This victory marked France's 10th win in 10 matches this year. With this result, Wales must beat England by a large margin and hope France defeat the Netherlands to keep their Euro hopes alive, an extremely challenging scenario. Beyond results, the women's game has grown rapidly with increasing investment, media coverage and grassroots participation, inspiring more girls and young women to pursue football at all levels. Wales's presence at this year's Euros reflects wider progress and opportunities visible for female athletes.
We always talk about the next match. I think everyone's aware of sort of what it means if we don't get a point. But equally, it's about delivering as strong a performance as we possibly can to have another opportunity to show Wales how proud we are to represent our country.
While the path forward is difficult, Wales's debut at a major tournament has featured historic breakthroughs and valuable experiences. Their journey highlights progress for the national team, laying a foundation for future competition and growth within the women's game.